So now guys, we will basically going to sign up for CloudWays. Okay, so you can just go to this link, everything in small, my-link.in/CloudWays. Okay, so let's go. So just search my-link.in/cloud, CLOUD, cloud, WAYS, ways. Okay, so just search for this my-link.in/CloudWays, click on enter, and then you will go to basically CloudWays website. Okay, so the very best thing about them is that they give 3 days trial without any credit card or debit card information. Okay, so you can just get started absolutely quick as possible. Okay, so this is the website of CloudWays. Amazing. Now you just need to click on this button called as start free now. Okay, also you can just view their plan. So you can see, you can just view their plan, this 12 month, etc, etc. But we will first go with free plan, and we can just make them payment immediately after the trial will going to end. So let's first go with this benefit of 3-day free trial. Click on start free trial. Okay, and then they will going to give you sign up form, so you can just put the informations like your name. So I will just go ahead and I will going to put as Cuckoo Academy. Okay, you can just put your email. So in my case, my email will be this much, this will. Okay, so I will just go and I will right click and paste my email. You can just write your email. You can also put your password basically. Okay, let me just okay, just put your password, and then just put the best describe of yourself. So you can just put it for any purpose, so you can just go with e-commerce or anything, it doesn't matter. Just choose any of the option. Website performance and speed. Okay, just choose anything. There's nothing such thing. And then you can just put a promo code, which is Bing Commerce. So make sure you guys just put the promo code Bing Commerce. Okay, here. So just put this Bing Commerce. So when you will basically going to put, it will be kind of give you more options. So just make sure you guys just put that coupon code, and after that click on start free. Okay, because I am a owner of that coupon, so I cannot basically use that coupon in my website. Okay, so that's the reason. And then it will going to show you some this thing. Okay, and then you can see, just go to email, and let's okay, so now they are saying to activate your account. You can just contact them. So I can just copy their link address, and I can just go and I can just compose one email to that team. I can just write activate my account. Okay, and you can just write activate my account team please, like this, and just send them. So in your case, if it shows something like this, then you can just email them. Okay, so now guys, you can see that I have got approval. In your case, it can directly redirect you here as well. Okay, so the first thing which you need to do is that just go to this account here, and just click on this account button. Reason why is because here you will see this option of credit card basically. So just tap there and just click on authorize credit card, and guys, just put your payment information. Otherwise what will going to happen is that after 3 days they will going to block you. So it's better to put your details immediately, So just put the card, international card like Visa, Mastercard. So whether it's a debit or credit card, whatever it is, so just put that information and just authorize your credit card. Okay, otherwise you will going to kind of face issue with them. Okay, so this is what I want to tell you regarding how you can basically set up CloudWays, and also make sure that they will going to give you option to verify your email. So just tap on that, verify from your Gmail, and then after verifying, your dashboard will be verified. Okay, so this is what I want to teach you, how you can set up CloudWays very easily. Okay,